Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13902 Class 3 multi-fit trailer hitch on a 2016 GMC Sierra. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, place the supplied fasteners into position on the vehicle where possible without drilling. This will vary depending on the vehicle. Fish wiring may be required for some applications. On certain GM models, a weld nut will be located here. There is a weld nut located here on this vehicle. The other mounting hole is located here. Place one of the supplied carriage bolts through a spacer and down into the mounting hole. Mount the side plates to the frame rail. For Ford models, the bend in the plate should be installed facing inwards. For Chevy, GMC, and Dodge Ram models, the bend should be installed facing outwards. To install, lift the side plate over the previously installed hardware and secure in place with a hex flange nut. Continue to fasten the side plate to the frame with a hex bolt and conical toothed washer. Repeat this entire process on the opposite side. Raise the center section of the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included carriage bolts and hex flange nuts. Repeat this process on the opposite side. On 2003 to 2004 Ford trucks, drilling additional holes will be required at this point. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 13902 Class 3 multi-fit trailer hitch on a 2016 GMC Sierra. Check out all the CURT ball mount options, including our CURT switch ball sets that can switch ball sizes without the need of any tools, pins, or additional torquing. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it!